what's up guys? So today I had a very good day actually on both my swing positions and my day trade. So maybe we can start with JD. JD, like the rest of the commie stocks, they kind of pop up today. They had a gap up. So if we were to look at the daily level, let me zoom in here. They gapped up. Excuse me. They gapped up, and every time these commie stocks, they're like fake stocks. Every time they popped up, I just short them. So they popped up, I shorted it, and the reason why I shorted it too is if you look at the Camarilla pivots, this is R6. This is way above R6. Eventually, it did make its way down to like a daily level, but it's way up. So I took it on the short side, shorted it, added to it. When it held, I added more. On the drop near VWAP, I just covered it on. That was it. That was my play on JD. Like I said, it did continue to go down even further. So that was JD. I also did the same thing with PDD. It popped up. I thought this was going to be a level of resistance. I took it on the short side here, just small size for a scalp. That didn't happen. It popped way up here. Again, this is above the Camarilla pivots. So I took it on the short side, added to a full size position. On the way it dropped. As it got close to the moving average, I just covered on the way down. And so that was my play on PDD. Did the same thing with Beely. Popped also, as you can see, above the Camarilla pivots. So I started to build my position, and then I got to full size. On the drop, I covered it mostly around the $24, $25 area. It did drop even further down to the $24.43. So if I held this, I could have, gotten a lot out of it. But I wasn't holding it. So. Anyway, so yeah, so that was the trade on Billy. Baba, I did a quick scalp on Baba, short, and then as it popped up, similar. It's like this is basically the same as the other ones. Added to it on the drop near the level of support. I covered it all. Eventually, this did go all the way down to 103, but that was it. I also traded Airbnb. Airbnb went up today, and then it looked like it was struggling, might be coming back down. I looked at the 1 minute. It's getting close to the moving averages, so I decided to take it on a short. This is actually a pretty big drop. It's like over a point drop. So on the way down, I covered it right near the level of support, which coincidentally is also close to VWAP. So that was it. That was my trade on Airbnb. It did bounce off VWAP, made it run back up. If I was watching this stock at this point, I would have taken it for another short here, but I wasn't. I was taking my mom to a doctor's appointment, so I didn't short it. I would probably have shorted it here again. But that was Airbnb. And then finally AMD. I took AMD. This was a swing position that I had, so I just basically sold it on the way up. And then it did come back down. So that was a swing. I still have some shares on it, which I sold. It's a call. It's a covered call. So we'll see what happens. I did sell a covered call on AMD. So anyway, that's it. That's my day. Good way to start a Monday. And so I hope you guys do well and have a good rest of the week. Peace out.